The combat between Albert Durev and Robert Britchek is set, and Durev recently lost to Jun Young Park and Joaquin Buckley, but was better than Chidi Njokuani and Roman Kopilov, which kind of shocked me. That victory over Kopilov really shocked me, that decision win. And Britchek is riding on a score of 17, 5-0, 6'0", fighting out of Bielsko-Bala, Poland. His victory over Samuel Kristofich was amazing, and he came straight out of the octagon. I believe this guy can take a beating. He's got a knockout power, and he'll go for the finish by any means necessary. I like those types of fighters. The only thing I don't know about Britchek is his cardio. I really don't know whether his cardio is good or bad. I've seen he was losing and winning via decision in the past, but again, Durev has excellent cardio. Britchek should be having a fair one, but he was finishing the majority of the opponents in the early stages of the fight. I expect a technical fight. Knowing Durev, I would go over 1.5. If I must pick a side, I think Britchek has good chances to win, but we're going to see.